So a lot of people ask, what's Centurion about? Why do we support these types of service events? Really, it comes back to, we're a Correct Craft company. And Correct Craft is based on a culture pyramid that at the very tip top, it says we build boats to the glory of God. We want to see the results of what we do, our purpose, making lives better, in the reflection of how people live their lives, how they're empowered, either to get through something tough or just to do something they never thought they could do.
The goal fundamentally is just to pay it forward, to share our passion for water sports with the men and women who protect our communities and our countries. But on several levels, it gets way deeper than that.
It was such an incredible experience, and honestly, I don't think I'll ever forget this day, ever in my life. I've been coached now by some of the most incredible wake surfers in the world, and I wouldn't trade that experience for anything.
Oh, this is incredible, man. I started earlier today, I was bouncing off the water, and then just now, I just had the ride of my life. But it was just incredible, man. Everybody cheering you on, so this is an amazing experience.
Kyle came here 5 months after an officer-involved shooting where he lost his partner and another officer was shot and he took a life. We didn't know any of that really until he got here. And when he came and wake surfed with us and sat by the fire, all of that came out. He felt comfortable talking to everybody where he hadn't before. And it was unbelievable. I couldn't believe that anybody could go through that. He was in the deepest, darkest hole he'd ever been in his life.
Obviously, any involved shooting an officer goes through is going to put you into a dark place. The more tragic, the more severe it's going to be. So yeah, I had to hit it low, and I didn't really know what the future held at that time. So when Operation Wake Surf reached out, I really didn't even know anything about the organization or what they were doing, but I just knew I needed to do something. Walked into just a bunch of friends that I didn't even know I was going to make it yet. That have ultimately helped me come out of that pit that I was in.
Get Out Girl Surf and Paddle Jam is a 2-day weekend event, honors the legacy of Kristen McLean and Jessica Hollis, both female first responders who lost their lives within 6 months of each other in Travis County. Their legacy is all about the utilization of nature and water for positive mental, emotional, and physical wellness impact. Our goal now is to continue to inspire and empower others to utilize the same mental wellness tools as they did.
2015, my wife, Kristen McLean, was killed in a helicopter rappelling accident with Starflight here in Austin, Texas. Get Out Girl had been going on for about a year. It was one of her and Cindy, who was her best friend, events that they loved to put on. And we learned that water was healing, and we decided to make a foundation and do something about it for first responders, military, police, because there was nobody doing anything for them.
It was
seized
great.
the day. We made new friends.
We did make new friends.
And it was uplifting.
Jessica loved the water. This was a place where we went as a family. It was her happy place. It's something she loved. And so this event for me it's a way to keep her legacy alive.
One of the things I love about this event is when you bring a lot of women together, especially different ages. There's young women, there's older women, there's women that have not done much physically around the water, but you watch them come together and they empower each other and they support each other and they celebrate the simple victories.